Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my December Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, I will have a link down below. My favorite multi-subscription service. It's amazing. Let's just get into the box because I haven't looked at spoilers for this month, so I'm excited to see what's in here. First thing I noticed is that the box is a different shape this month. It's skinnier. This looks a little different. The weight of my box is 0.95 pounds. So the theme for this month is Tis the sea sun. Like sea sun instead of season. Sea sun. Yeah, cute. Okay, first thing is from Tarte. This is the Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Insta Famous. This retails for $20. So already you've already paid for the price of your box because Boxycharm is only $21 a month. All right, let's see. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. All right, I like this box already. Next is a lip liner from Bodyography. This is in the color Heather Berry. This retails for $12. I'm not really a lip liner person, so I'm probably gonna pass this along to someone. Okay, next thing is from Cosmetics. This is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. This retails for $30. It says detoxify your pores from daily grime with Cosmetics' activated charcoal mask. Ooh, that's a big word. Diatomaceous earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin. Earth? What? This doesn't make any sense. Diatomaceous earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out the dirt and impurities from your pores. Okay, I don't know, but it's a charcoal mask. Next we have a palette from Wander Beauty. This is the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. Really pretty packaging. This retails for $26. It's a Boxycharm exclusive line. Contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly onto the skin for a natural glowing finish. Let's check it out. That packaging is really pretty. If you guys are wondering the variation I got, it's 5. I don't know if they've ever had that many different variations before. Whoa, my hairs. I just got back from basketball practice. This is what those colors look like. Okay, and the last thing, ooh, I got another palette. 2 palettes this month. This is the Protégé eyeshadow palette. It's from Supa Beauty. Supa Beauty Protégé eyeshadow palette retails for $34. 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. It's a versatile warm and cool tone palette. That's the packaging. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Those are really pretty. So that was everything that I got in my December Boxycharm. Again, I think this is a great box. I'm excited for this eyeshadow palette and the blush and highlighter palette. I'm not a blush person, so I'll probably just use the highlighter from it. Really excited for this lip color from Tarte. It looks super pretty. The charcoal mask, I'm really excited to try. And then a lip liner, like I said, I'm not a lip liner person, so I'm just kind of like, meh. So that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.